This is the Rubiks Cube's 50th anniversary special edition. Look at this thing. I just got this. This is gonna be phenomenal. I am so excited for this. Look at this thing. It's a little 50-year print on top. Let's get this thing out of its packaging and let's get right to the point. Where's the package? Where is the, oh, here it is. Oh no, do you see that? Right there. That is the bane of my existence. That is some kind of weird tape. It's adhesive packaging. Okay, I'm gonna, the power of editing, I'm gonna take all this off right now. I finally got the packaging. I finally got it off. Oh no, it's not off. Ready for this satisfying? Ugh. That was weird. Let's never speak of this again. Anyways. Here it is in all its glory. Wow, this is weird packaging. Here is the Rubiks Cube. Why is this thing so... What? What is... No. Do you see it? More tape. My nightmare isn't over. Here it is in all its glory. I finally got this annoying tape off after 10,000 years. So now we can actually do some turns on it.
Are you sure about that?
Okay.
Bruh.
The only response I have for how bad this turning is this.
Emotional damage. You want some therapy, bro? I will send you to Jesus.
Yeah. So let's start. Let's try to do a scramble on it, I guess. The stickers or whatever printed tiles these are look really nice. I guess obviously it might be a little hard to see on camera. Alright, this is taking so long, I'm just gonna edit ahead till it's fully scrambled. Now with the power of editing, I have fully scrambled the Rubik's Cube, so I'm gonna start solving. Okay, my turning on this is so unbelievably slow, I might actually have to speed up the footage. This is some quality turning. Earlier today I reviewed the metallic Rubik's Cube, so this is a nice change of pace, I guess. Alright, so now I'm gonna make F2L. Man, this cube is hard to turn. Alright, let's do a really complex F2L algorithm. Actually, it wasn't really even that complex, but it's complex on a cube like this. Are you serious? A PLL skip.
Bruh.
What an epic timing for PLL skip on every solve. I got a PLL skip on this one. Well, either way, this is a really cool Rubik's Cube. The turning is awful, but I think that's actually on purpose. I think it's like similar design as like the ones from the 80s. Oh. Here's what the checkerboard pattern looks on it. It's actually really nice looking for a cube. All in all, I highly recommend this cube. You can get this from, I believe, Peak Cube Shop or The Cubicle, not sponsored. It's really cool, and yeah. I rate it a solid 9 to 8 out of 10. It's really nostalgic. The turning is awful, but that's kind of to be expected. I think it's kind of intentional. Yeah.